Hey guys, I'm Egnoto, and you're watching my YouTube channel. Once again, check out the size of this jumping spider. Well, that's unfortunate. She's gone. She must have jumped down onto the ground and taken off before I got here. There's a bird hanging out here, so maybe it intimidated her. There she is, all the way over in the corner here. The size of her. I don't even know if that is a daring green. She's huge. Yeah, it's a daring green. I gotta catch her. Okay guys, check out this brownish gray fishing spider. Gallimides tenebrocious. You see how big it is. I'm scared to do this. Okay, so a stupid shadow. This spider, now I'm close to it. I mean close to the lens. If I could put my hand at the same distance as the spider, that leg span is literally a little bigger than the palm of my hand. This species will eat little fish sometimes, but it usually goes after invertebrates. And this one is, from the looks of it, a female. Impressive species, is it not? Intimidatingly impressive. Hey, do you want me to hold the lighting and stuff? Actually, hold on. Now if I disturb this spider, this is a type of crab spider. It's going to raise its front legs to kind of be on the defensive. Or maybe not. But there you go. Sorry. I'm not entirely sure what species of spider this is. If its web was complete, I'd better be able to guess, but I can't tell, so let me know in the comments below. Did I really just watch you doing that?